Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash and I am currently learning web development program and also I am the student of Next Wave Academy. In this video, I am going to share my knowledge with you all. Why? Because when we are sharing our knowledge to other one, then only we can enhance our skills, right? So that this is the main motive to make this video. By the end of this video, you will get to know some basics of HTML. Without any further delay, let's get started to our video. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Here, hypertext means the text which contains the links. It means that when we open a website, there will be some text with with the links. When we click on the text, it will take to us to any other website, right? This is called as hypertext. And markup means this is also the text format. This will be in the form of bold or italic, like that. And we all know that language means, as humans have our languages, like that, similar to computer, there is a computer language. So these all languages comes under computer languages, which means HTML, Python, JavaScript, all those are computer languages. It is the standard language used to create web pages. This HTML is the only standard language used for creating the web pages. For a website development, we need compulsory HTML. And the third point is HTML consists of series of elements that define the structure and content of web pages. Here there are many elements which are used to create a web page. And we will see the basic structure of HTML. See, this is the basic structure of HTML. First, HTML code is written using tags enclosed in the angular brackets. Angular brackets means, see this, less than or greater than symbols. Within this, we will write the HTML. These are these are also called as tags. See here, for every element there are start tag and end tag. Here see that HTML, it is the start tag, and we have last one. This is the end tag of HTML. End tag of HTML contains less than symbol and one slash and HTML and greater than symbol. Like this, the start tag and this is the end tag. So for every element, there is a start tag and end tag. We will call these start tag and then end tag combined together as the element. Okay. Uh, the basic structure of HTML document includes the HTML tag, head tag, and body tags. The basic structure definitely needs that HTML tag and head tag and body tags. Within this body tag, we will develop our web page. See, uh, within this head tag, it is called as head part, and within this body, we will call as body part. The head section contains meta information about the document, while the body section contains the content of the page. See that in this body tag, we will write the content which needs for the web page. Okay. And HTML tags. There are different tags. See this. See this picture. There are head tags, text formatting tags, link tags, list tags, image tags, object tags, scripting tags, form tags, table tags. Like this, there are many of the tags. And HTML tags are used to define elements within a web page. For developing a web page, we need these type of tags. Okay. Some common HTML tags includes some of the tags like heading tag. H1 means heading tag. And for paragraph, we should use P tag. And for links, we should use anchor tag. I will briefly explain you in my further videos with the help of code. Okay. Tags can also have attributes which provide additional information about the element. These tags also contains attributes. Attributes means there will be some names which are used for designing purpose. I will explain in detail in my next video, but in this video I will give the complete overview of the HTML and what are the topics that are to be covered in this video and HTML. See this HTML attributes. Before we discussed about attributes, attribute means uh, it is a name of CSS. Like CSS is used for styling purpose. If we see a website, the website will contain different types of designing, right? For for the designing purpose, we should use CSS. CSS means cascading style sheets. It is used for designing a web page and HTML attributes provides additional information about an element. And for example, the image tag uses the src attribute to specify the image file to display. If we want to add the image tag or the image to a website, then we have to use the attribute named src. If we use that src, then we can add the image file to the website. Then only it will display the image in our website which are going to be developed. And attributes are specified within the opening tag of an element. These attributes are defined in the start tag itself. This is also called as opening tag. See this. This is a start tag and this is a end tag. This is the attribute and this is the value which are going to give for the attribute. This is the content which is provided in between the start tag and end tag. And this total start tag and end tag all combined together is known to be as element. I think you got my point. This total start tag and end tag are combined together and it is known as element. HTML formatting. HTML provides a variety of tags for formatting text and other content. There are variety of tags for formatting the text and other content. So in the HTML there are different types of tags for formatting purpose or any other content to design. Okay, and some common formatting tags include B B tag for bold text. If we use this B tag, then we can get the text as bold. And if we use I tag, then it will get the text in the form of italic. And U for underline text. If we use this U tag, then the text will be get underlined. And formatting tags can be combined to achieve different effects such as bold tag, italic, for bold and italic. These are the tags which are to be used for bold and italic. HTML list. We all know that lists are in the form of uh, ordered and unordered. In HTML also, HTML list means there are two types of list which are ordered and unordered. Ordered means, see here, the list is in the ordered form like 1, 2, 3, 4. In case of unordered, there will be like a circle, square, like this. This is the unordered format. Ordered list means we can give the 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can give the Roman numbers or alphabets like that. In case of unordered, we cannot give the 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It will be in the form of squares, circles like that. Ordered lists are numbered, see here, while unordered lists are bullet points. The list which are in the number format, those are called as ordered list. In case of any other situations, those are called as unordered list. Okay. Lists are created using the ordered list and unordered list tags. See here, OL and UL tags. If we want to use ordered list, then we have to use OL. And if we want to use unordered list, then we have to use UL. These are the tags which are to be used. And with list items specified using the LI tag. This LI means if we see this, there is apple, banana, mango, and pineapple. If we want to write write this in this order, then we have to use the list tag. If we give an li and apple, and if we close the list tag with the end tag, then it will be in the form of apple. I will show you with the help of code, then only you can understand in the better way. Okay. And next, HTML tables. HTML tables are used to display data in the structured format. If the data should be displayed in the structured format or organized format, then we should use this table, HTML tables. Tables are created using HTML tags, HTML table tags. If we want to get the rows specified using the tag tr, tr, tr tag is used to get the rows in the table, and these cells specified using the td tag. And next, tables can also include headers using the th tag. If we want to give the heading for the table, then we have to use the th tag. Next, HTML forms. If we open any websites or any other one, then we will get a forms like Google form or something, input data forms, right? These are said to be forms, and HTML forms are used to collect user input. If we want to give an input, then we should use the form tags. See this. Forms are created using the form tag, and with input fields specified using various types of input tags. If we want to give the input, then these form tags are also should be used, and if you want to give the input, then we have to use the input tags. Forms can also include buttons, checkboxes, and other input elements. These forms can contain different types, like when we are submitting a Google form, there will be checkboxes like tick marks, right? And also buttons and other input elements. HTML divs and spans. HTML divs and spans are used to group and style the content. This div tag is used for to store the content in the div tag. If we want to store the heading and a paragraph both together in a container, then we have to use the div tag. So this div tag is used for storing the content. And the span tags are used for styling purpose. Divs are block level elements that can be used to group larger sections of content. See, if we have both start tag and end tag, then those are called as block level elements. Other In other cases, those are called as void elements. I will explain you with the help of developing a web page in my next video. Don't worry, okay? Spans are inline level elements that can be used to apply styles to specific parts of contents. The span tag is a inline level element. HTML5. HTML5, it is the latest version of HTML. It includes new tags and attributes for multimedia and semantic markup. In this HTML5, this is the latest version, and this latest version includes new tags and attributes for multimedia. And HTML5 also includes features of offline web page applications and improved accessibility. If we don't have data or we are in offline, then also we can access these features. So that's it, guys. I think you understood something about HTML. In my further videos, I will explain you the each topic in detail. Okay, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to our channel.